My name is Mike Chick and I'm a senior lecturer in TESOL, and I'm the new Refugee champion for the University of South Wales. The Welsh Government is really keen to support the removal of barriers, of obstacles to refugees and asylum seekers accessing university. And what we've got at the University of South Wales is the fantastic Refugee and Asylum Seeker Sanctuary Scheme. And so this sanctuary scheme allows or permits refugees and asylum seekers to access language tuition, language preparation before they start a degree. And that's something that no other university in Wales offers.
I don't think I'll ever meet more motivated learners. They're just so eager to learn, and they come up and you don't know what's gone on, you don't know how they've got here, but every single week you would come down here and they walk in and they've got a smile on their face and they're so eager to learn. We see it on the news and it's all these people, and you see them, they walk in and they're smiling and they're talking to you. These are people, same as you, same as me. And I think it's just been eye-opening. It has been eye-opening. You hear some of the stories and it's horrific, but they're real people.
The really rewarding things is that a number of the learner teachers who did their university teaching practicum here have continued and become volunteers, which is great. The experience has had such an impact on them to volunteer their time even after they've graduated.
I don't go to school before, and it's like a challenge to me in my family. It's a very shameful thing for me. It's very important to me to go to school and to read.
At the moment, the university is applying to be a university of sanctuary, which, if we achieve the status, would make us only the second university in Wales to do so. And that application, together with the creation of a refugee champion post, sends out a really clear message of the university's commitment to diversity and inclusion.